welcome to the unboxing of a wonderful, beautiful puppy. So let us begin. If you like what I'm about to do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. And also Twitch and TikTok. Here we go. Slice this sucker down. Don't cut this thing. Gotcha. Beautiful. Okay. All we gotta do is just pull this open. And here we go. The first package I got is a mouse. Open this up, and I hope you all like what I have, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Josie, and today I have another package that I'm going to be opening. And today, it finally came. So get ready. So here we go. If you like what I'm about to do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here we go. Yeah, it's raining in Kalamazoo right now, and it's really nasty and soggy. So shouldn't have trouble doing this package because it's soggy. It's pretty soggy. It's like an equal knife. There we go. Okay. Next up here. Gotcha. Here we go. Let's begin. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, baby. Baby. Moment of truth. Let's take a look. Up here. So, this is my laptop that I got from Amazon. And surprisingly, it only cost me $49. Didn't break the bank. So yeah. This is like, holy shnikes. Uh-oh, I gotta take the tape off real quick. There's tape over here that I gotta get. I gotta open that up real quick. Got it open. Got to get it open. So here we go. So yes, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.